Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, "We were coming back from a journey along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whereas I was riding a camel that was used to carry water. It was behind all the people." Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck him with something which he had. It then overstepped all other mounts. I tried to slow it down, but now it had become out of control. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said me twice, "Will you sell me this camel for such and such price? May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pardon you." I replied twice, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is your camel." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Have you married after your father's demise?" I submitted, "A widow." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Why have you not married a maiden so that you may entertain her and she may entertain you?" Abu Nadra, the reporter, says it is the Muslims' word, whisker, that they say, "If you do so, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may forgive you." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3627.